Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an old-school weight scale. These classic devices offer a straightforward way to track your weight without batteries or complex features. We'll cover everything from setting up your scale to getting the most accurate measurements. By following a few easy steps, you can ensure reliable results every time you step on. Let's dive in and master the art of the mechanical scale. Proper calibration is crucial for accurate readings. First, always place your scale on a firm, level surface, like a tiled floor, not carpet. Next, find the small adjustment wheel, often located near the bottom or side of the scale's face. Carefully turn this wheel until the indicator needle rests exactly on the 0 mark. This simple step ensures your starting point is correct before you even step on. Once calibrated, it's time to take your measurement. Step onto the scale with both feet positioned squarely in the center. Stand tall and still, making sure not to lean on anything around you, as this can affect the reading. Allow the needle to come to a complete stop and settle before you look down to read your weight. This pause ensures you capture the most stable and accurate number. For the most consistent results, try to weigh yourself at the same time daily, preferably in the morning before eating or drinking. Also, wear as little clothing as possible, or none at all, to avoid adding extra weight. Remember to always place your scale on a hard, flat surface. Soft surfaces like rugs can significantly alter your reading. Following these tips will help you track your progress reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.